This machine exists because of one widow they called crazy. Her husband died. No money. Society turned away. She was left alone with a big house and a mountain of unwashed dishes. She went to the engineers. They laughed, literally, in her face. She went home and in 2 days built the first prototype. Then went, not to housewives, to restaurants, to hotels, to those with more dishes and less time. Chicago, the World's Fair, gold medal. Do you know who invested in her next? That same engineer who laughed first. Her company was bought by KitchenAid. That same machine is standing in your home.